If you work with numbers, customers, invoices, or reports, you need a fast way to pull information from your data. Excel's xlookup formula is the cleanest and most reliable way to search for a value and return the exact information you need. No complicated steps, just one formula that works. xlookup searches for a value in one column and returns the matching result from another column. It's perfect for finance work, customer balances, invoice dates, payment terms, product prices, or account codes. If you know what you're looking for, xlookup finds it instantly. The formula has three parts: the value you want to find, the column to search, and the column to return. For example, xlookup of the customer ID in cell A2, searching the customer list, and returning the outstanding balance. One clean formula gives you the exact result. Imagine you have a list of customers and their outstanding balances. You type the customer ID into a cell, and xlookup returns the balance immediately. No scrolling, no filtering, no manual checking. It's fast, accurate, and perfect for monthly reporting. Once you find the customer, you can pull anything else linked to that ID: credit limit, payment terms, last payment date, or sales rep. Just change the return column. One lookup value can return many different fields, making your reports cleaner and faster. If the customer doesn't exist, xlookup can show a friendly message. For example, xlookup with not found as the fallback text. This keeps your reports tidy and prevents confusing errors, especially when your data changes over time. xlookup reduces mistakes, speeds up reporting, and makes your files easier to maintain. You can insert columns, reorganize data, or expand your table without breaking your formulas. It's stable, flexible, and perfect for automation-minded workflows. Use xlookup for customer balances, invoice lookups, product pricing, account mapping, payroll references, cost center matching, and financial dashboards. Anywhere you need to pull information quickly, xlookup saves time and reduces manual work. Many people still search manually or scroll through long lists. xlookup removes all that manual work. It's one of the simplest ways to make your Excel files smarter, cleaner, and more reliable, especially for business owners and finance teams. Check my web for many useful templates, including free downloads.